Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time to show you guys coupons to print. Sorry for posting this video a little late. I just woke up, which is nice. It's a day to sleep in and that's what I intend to do. So the first thing I always do is check out new coupons. Now I always print my coupons from swagbucks.com because I get points for every coupon that I print, and then I also get points for every coupon that I use. You guys can use this if you want, or you can just go to the regular coupons.com app. It's basically the coupons.com app, or the coupons.com website. It's just through a different website just to get you points. I save up my points to get a free Christmas, so that's what you guys should be doing if you want. I also just posted a video what kind of printer I use, so you guys can see what printer and how cheap it is to print coupons and as many as you want. So definitely check that out. I did take a look at some coupons that they added. Nothing that's really like popping out at me. They got the Stonyfield Kids coupon that I just printed. A lot of stuff reset, which I just made a video for that for the first. Here we got the Schick razors. The Nivea lip is $1.25, which is actually a pretty good coupon. Arm & Hammer. I'm going to do the 50% off Huggies because there might be some deal. Another Arm & Hammer. Now this is a coupon that will not last long. $4 off a 2. Just giving you heads up. That will not last long, so print it off. 75 cents off a Tums. Some of this stuff I just print, and I'm like, why the heck did I print it? Because it just sits there. But otherwise, I'm just trying to print what I think I'll need and what I'll use. But otherwise, definitely print off the Lindor bars if you guys haven't done that already. But other than that, that is all the coupons that I am printing. Just wanted to share with you guys that, and I hope to see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.